Well, hello there, friends. Perfect recipe for Yorkshire pudding or popovers, whatever you want to call them. They're delicious. I got the perfect recipe. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's really simple. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Stay tuned. We're making them right now, friends. Okay, friends, well, let me show you how to make those, what do you call them again?
A few moments later.
Okay, friends, well, let me show you how to make those,
Many minutes later.
Okay, friends, well, let me show you how to make those Yorkshire pudding. I call them popover. It's easier to say than Yorkshire pudding. So, look, guys, I'm here to have some fun. I hope we're going to have fun together. I got 4 eggs. You can have small eggs, medium eggs, or large eggs. They weigh different. So you know what I do? I weigh them. Put a scale on. Put a scale on. Don't put it on. Use it, all right, Lucy? Use a scale. So here's what I'm saying. I want you to get as close as you can to 200 grams. It's much easier if you have a scale, I promise you. If you don't have one, then you're going to have to wing it. Because these eggs right there, there were 4 large eggs. There was 203 grams. Do I do 203 grams? Let me put the salt in it before I forget, because I always forget. I see it and put it in. So I got, it's crazy, but it works, I promise you. 203 grams or milliliters of milk. And I got 203 grams of flour. Now, if you get the 194, 195, then you do 195, 195. It's really that simple. Same amount, the 3 of them. You can't go wrong with that. Without a scale, you're going to have some difficulty. All right? So all we're going to do is we're going to break the egg. This is not difficult. So you know what I'll do? Instead of continue doing this, no, I'm going to continue doing this. I was going to do something else. No, I'm going to stick with it. Mix the eggs, break them first, put a little air in there. We're going to put a little bit of milk in there. And then we're going to put the flour, all-purpose flour. Don't be using any of them cake flour or self-rising flour, okay? You're going to use all-purpose flour, and you know what I do? I put it in this little shaker deal. Yeah, some of them is going on the side. What do you call those things? Sifter thing? I don't know what it's called. What is it called? Sifter thing? Sifter thing. And it's just easier. If you don't have one of those, then don't worry about it. Just do it with a regular sifter, you know, regular strainer. That's what we use. So if I wanted to be a little fancy today, so look like I knew what I was doing. Yeah, 50 years I've been doing this. I think I know. Look, mix it up a little bit. Then we have a little more milk in there. Pretty simple, see? Just make sure it's really well mixed up in there. That's it. You don't want any lumps in there, that's all. It's not complicated. Nothing we do is complicated. There you go. Get in there. Get in there. Voila, voila, voila. Oh, some of them made over there, look at. I lost about 3 grams, not even. I lost about 1 gram, so you know what? We didn't lose it. There you go. Put it right back in there. There you go. Mix it up. And then we're going to add the rest of the milk when we're having issues because it's a little thick. It's really good. It helps you. Just put a little bit at the beginning. Put a little more now. And then we're going to mix it all up. And then we're going to put it on those molds that I have right there on the side. Now, if you don't have one of those, just use a regular muffin tins. And it'll work just the same. I am going to put 1 teaspoon, which is about 5 grams, of beef tallow in the bottom of those mold right there that I got. I'm going to mix it up really good. And what you want to do now, friends, you want to take this and you want to put it in the fridge if you have time overnight. It's best. If you don't have time, put it 2-3 hours. 2 hours. Longer you leave it, better it's going to taste. It's up to you. And more it's going to rise. If you have time, you do it overnight. If you don't have time, do it 2 hours. But take it out of the fridge at least an hour or two before you do it, okay? I'll write all that down in a recipe. And then you take it out, that's what you got. You got to look like it's separated a little bit. Don't worry about it. Just do this, you see? It has to have the consistency that is thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. I got a spoon right here. See, look, it's coating the back of the spoon. It's a little thick, actually. So you know what I like to do when it's very thick like that, which is very good to have? I put a little bit of water, just like a tablespoon of water. Makes it a little looser. You see? Mix it up real good. Let's check it. See, it's beautiful. It's not as thick. It's easier, you see? You want to make sure it's pourable. Pourable? Pourable is a good word, right? I'm checking with my English counterparts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to put it in the fridge. No, that's the one I'm going to use. What's wrong with me? I'm going to put it in here. That's the other one I'm going to do that. So I'm going to pour it in this pouring cup that I have, because I don't know about you, but I'm not very good at pouring out of a bowl. It comes out everywhere except where I want it to go. And in this instance, it's extremely important, friends, that I do it correctly. And you'll see, I'm going to explain you the detail. So, I got my oven going at 400 degrees. And, I got some, I told you about the beef tallow. You can buy it online, you can buy it at a grocery store. My grocery store has it. It's not that expensive. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon in each one of them. Then I'm going to pour this thing in the oven, this mold in the oven for at least 10-15 minutes until the beef tallow that I'm putting right there gets to 400 degrees. All right, friends? So I'm going to wait for this to get to 400 degrees, and I come back and I'm going to show you the secret of doing this correctly so they rise correctly. All right? I see you in a few minutes when you can see right now it's a little thick. And when it gets to temperature 400, it's very liquid. It liquidifies. So I see you in a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to take them out of the oven. It should be, the oil is about 400, which is what I want. I'm going to put it in here. So there's a trick in here, friends. There's tricks on everything, isn't it? Number one trick, put a towel right there so you don't, by mistake, touch it, because it doesn't look hot. It's hot. You can feel it. We got to move now. We got to move fast. So, I always mix it up really quick to make sure that if you let it sit, the flour is going to go down. Now, the secret, friends, is to go in the middle of it, right in the middle of it, okay? You don't want to go on the side of it, because then it rises not evenly. And we want to pour about halfway in those molds, okay? You're going to have to learn with your mold. And the secret is to make sure it doesn't go on the side of it. So we go right in the middle of it, and we stop halfway. And if there's a drip, we catch it with a spoon, okay? We go in, up, halfway. And we catch it with a spoon in case there's a dip. Stay right in the middle of it. Oh, be careful. If you put too much, you're going to end up with a short one. Halfway. Otherwise, I end up with a half one. Whoop. See, I go too much. There you go. I should be fine. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, I'm good. Maybe this one can catch up a little bit, because I was a little short on this one. Make sure you catch it. And we're going to go in the oven right away now. We got to work fast now. Stay in the middle when you do what I'm doing right now. Stay in the middle. If you're not in the middle, and we are perfectly fine. All right, friends, we're good to go. We're going to go right in the oven. Okay, done. Voila. We go immediately in the oven now. No talking. And I'll see you in about 25 to 30 minutes when they're nice, beautiful golden brown. Oh, yes. Look at this. Look at those beauties, friends. They're gorgeous. Look at these beauties. Woo! They're not exactly a perfect size, but let me tell you. So they're super hot right now. No kidding, eh? So we're gonna wait a second, and then I'm gonna break one apart so I can show you. But I'm just gonna wait a second until they cool just a little bit because I'm gonna burn my fingers otherwise. But they're beautiful, oh, gorgeous. Okay, friend, they're still hot, but this is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Look at the inside. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is, my friend. You see? This is beautiful. Oh, yeah, this is exactly what I want right there, my friends. They are absolutely gorgeous. See? All inside, hollow. Put the gravy in there. Put some beef in there. Oh, it'll be delicious. All right, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to make it, they're not complicated. Remember to get the recipe right on our website. Thanks for watching. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell.